Closing phrasal verbs with meaning and example. Listen and repeat. Dress up. It means wear fancy clothes. Example: we used to dress up to go to church when we were children. Dress down. It means to wear casual clothes. Example: I usually dress down on weekends. Fold up. It means fold clothes. Example: fold up your clothes and put them in your closet. Hang out. It means dry clothes outside. Example: have you hung up the washing out? Hang up. It means put clothes on a hanger. Example: hang up your coat in the closet. Have on. It means to be wearing clothes or accessories. Example: she has on a beautiful necklace. Layer up. It means to put on multiple layers of clothes. Example: I always layer up in winter because it gets too cold. Kick off. It means to remove shoes. Example: I always kick off my shoes when I get home. Put on. It means wear something. Example: put on your jacket before you go outside. Slip on. It means wear clothes fast and easily. Example: I like to slip on my sneakers before going for a run. Take off. It means to remove clothes. Example: take off your hat when you enter the building. Take in. It means to make clothes smaller. Example: the tailor will take in the dress to fit you better. Take up. It means to shorten clothes. Example: I want to take this pair of pants up. It's too long. Try on. It means to test clothes. Example: I need to try on these jeans before buying them. Throw on. It means to hastily put on clothes. Example: I just threw on some clothes and ran out of the door. Turn up. It means to shorten clothes. Example: her jeans were too long, so she turned them up. Wrap up. It means to wear warm clothes. Example: make sure to wrap up warm if you're going outside in the snow. Zip up. It means to fasten a zipper. Example: zip up your jacket before going outside. Let out. It means to make clothes larger. Example: the tailor will let out the waistband of your pants. For more phrasal verb videos, tap the screen and subscribe to my channel.